All right, boys, so got the next little project here. It's a little miniature Atlas lathe, and here's what it looks like. Just got this for $3 from my uncle that he had it in his shop and he didn't really use it so much, just kind of wanted to get it out of there, and he gave it to me. So friggin' rights for that. Thank you, Uncle David. I appreciate it. And it's an Atlas. The forward and reverse is just here. And everything seems to work on it. It's pretty crusty, but the tailstock works, the compound works, the cross slide works, and the carriage works. And I engaged the half nut, and it does seem to engage and disengage. So we'll see about that. And it does have the original Atlas motor on there. So it's really, again, it's pretty old and crusty. It's pretty, just sort of been sitting around. And I think it's going to be a fun little project. Little four-jaw. Gearbox. The gears that are here seem to be in really good shape. Don't see any bad chipped ones. Now, this is sitting on this sort of wooden cabinet, and I did open this top drawer slightly, and there is some other gears in there. I'm not really sure what's all in there. Missing the tool holder here, so hopefully it's in there. And the other drawers I didn't even open. I couldn't get them open. It's swollen from sort of being in an outside shop. All right, so pretty much got everything laid out here, and that's what we're looking like. Got a couple of these, I think these are M1 tapers. Little Jacob's chuck here with a key. Little tooling, little carbide tooling. Whole bunch of gears. Lathe dog. I think this is probably the original wrench that came with it. I was shocked to see all of the Armstrong style tool holders. Nice little cutoff tool here. Boring bar attachment, a couple little boring bars, a couple little pieces of high-speed steel. Nice knurling tool. I think the knurl's still good on it. We'll see how that works out. And dead center, couple odds and ends, drift key, steady rest. Not sure if it's original to it. It probably is though. But the one thing that I was really worried about not finding, the tool holder. It was like one of the last things I pulled out, so thank God it was there. Fit it up. That's the one. Nice. I don't think I showed you guys the inside of this before. The bearing feels tight. All right, so anyway, friggin' rights for that. All right, so just took the tailstock off there and just kind of touched it with the little steel wool. And, not gonna win any beauty contests, that's for sure, but model 618. So, kind of cool. Just taking it apart slowly. And all right, guys, so this one's done. And I got it for free. I can't really use it because I have the hard hinge. So, and that does everything I need, but I'm probably just gonna put this on the Facebook or on the Craigslist or whatever. But came out pretty good. Not bad. So, all right, another project down.